सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्लोका नंबर 175 विवेकवैराग्यगुणातिरेकात् शुद्धत्वमासाद्य मनोविमुक्त्यै शुद्धत्वमासाद्य भवत्यतो बुद्धिमतो मुमुक्षोः ताभ्यां दृढाभ्यां भवितव्यमग्रे Shankaracharya explaining our mind alone is the cause for samsara. Our mind alone is cause for samsara. That mind which is dominated by Rajoguna and Tamoguna alone is the cause for samsara. First, mind is the cause for samsara. Problem. Samsara, when I say, you have to include for all our worries, dukkha, sorrow, everything you have to include. Okay. The second point is, what type of mind is cause for samsara? In the previous slokas, Acharya has pointed out that mind which is dominated by the Rajoguna and Tamoguna alone is the cause for samsara. That means, if you want to come out of samsara problem, you have to train your mind to be sattvic predominantly. Because somewhere the Shruti tells, Manayeva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshaye. Rajasic, tamasic nature of the mind alone is bandha karanam. Samsara, another name is called bandha, bondage. So the rajasic, tamasic nature of the mind alone is the bandha karanam. Sattvic nature of the mind, such mind is moksha karanam. How to make the mind shuddham, sattvic? How to make the mind sattvic? All unhealthy thoughts leads to ignorance. Unhealthy thoughts are because of either tamasa guna or rajoguna. What are unhealthy thoughts? Raga, dvesha. The thoughts which are endowed with conditioned strong likes and dislikes. Strong likes and dislikes. Attachment and aversion. Strong attachment with the people, with the objects, with the world. Strong attachment with the family members, with the friends. Other opposite, strong aversion. Two extremities. I have to check myself. Am I having strong attachment to anything in this world? That means I have it. That's all. We have to suffer. Either human relation, either relation with objects, or any habits. Any habits. If I have strong attachment to that habit, I have to suffer. That's why Shastra says, never become enslaved to anything, never hooked to anything. It's very, very difficult. Because we justify our all likes and dislikes. And if we give permission, we will write books, law book also. Because of this I hate this person. Because of this I love this person. Therefore, that Kunti Devi kept that secret. No? Karna, you are my son. That word she kept secret. That ignorance, I am Karna. No? Kunti is like a Maya Devi there. No? Because of that Maya ignorance, Karna could not come out of that problem. I am a Suta Putraha, I am a Suta Putraha. He was really throughout life cried like anything. See a character suffering throughout life until death. What mistake he has done? But due to ignorance. Who is the cause for that ignorance? Kunti Devi. Similarly, our own ignorance, Maya, no, our own ignorance is the cause for our problem. That's why somebody said beautifully, all negatives developed in the dark room. Where they develop these negatives? Dark room. Similarly, all our raga, dvesha are developed in unhealthy mind, dark, ignorant mind. All unhealthy thoughts developed raga, dvesha, nourished in the ignorant mind, which represents darkness. So therefore, Shankaracharya says here, develop viveka, discrimination, viveka and vairagyam. Discrimination between real and unreal. Discrimination between truth and false. Discrimination between permanent and impermanent. Develop vairagyam towards those false things. Develop vairagyam means detachment towards those unreal things, temporary things. Develop detachment. Except Atma, everything is impermanent. Except Atma, everything is false. Everything is temporary. Everything is temporary, everything is false, everything is anatma. Therefore, develop detachment towards anatma. Have attachment sufficiently to grow yourself, mature yourself. Have attachment. Up to what extent you require. Shastra permits, either with money, either with the people, either with the friends and neighbors or society, name and fame, keep some extent for survival, for functional, transactional, minimum basic requirements you can keep. Everyone can keep, nothing wrong in that. But Shastra asks only one thing, all these are not the be all and end all. For a human being, they are not end in itself. Their nature is temporary. You should know their place. You should know their standpoint. That is called Viveka. This is called knowledge. This is called discrimination. Once this discrimination is there, once I acquire this Viveka Jnanam, naturally Vairagya automatically take place. Viveka followed by Vairagya. You have lot of Vairagya and balloon now. Are you having an attachment to balloon? Because you know it is not worth to have. It is not necessary for me. How? Viveka. Why 1 rupee waste? 5 minutes also it won't stay. I don't want it. I have no desire for it. Because of Viveka you got renunciation. But your child, no Viveka, therefore, Venu, I want that balloon. Same way, Ajnani, ignorant person, materialistic person, always, just like the child wants balloon, this person also wants sofa set, or car, or bangla. Like all balloons, they are also balloons. But an intelligent person, a mature, refined-minded person, if they come, it's okay. If I am able to buy, I will buy. Otherwise, I am not interested in them. I am not crave for them. I have no crazy for them. That is called Vairagya. A Vairagya which is born out of Viveka. The grapes are sour philosophy kadeyade. I don't have money, therefore I don't like them. Not like that. Even though I have capacity, even though I have money, but what I require, what I need, I know. Every position like that only. So Viveka Vairagya Gunatirekat. Atirekat means predominantly you have to develop discrimination and Vairagyam. So Shuddhatvam asadya manaha vimuktiyai. For moksha, vimuktiyai means for moksha, for liberation, for freedom, you have to attain the purity of the mind. Asadya means attain. Shuddhatvam means purity. Manaha of the mind. So such a mind will help me. Vimuktiyai bhavati. It will become the cause of my freedom. Such a mind. Such a mind is my friend. Really, such a mind is my friend only. Mitraha. Mitram. So, bhavati. Ataha. Therefore, buddhimataha mumukshoho. Mumukshoho means the real seekers of moksha. Buddhimataha, who are intelligent enough. Tabhyam dridabhyam agre bhavitavyam. Agre, first. The sadhana, you see in Tattva Bodha also, it begins with sadhana chatushtaya sampatti. Viveka vairagya shamadi shatka sampatti mumukshutvam. 4 qualifications, 4 D's we have seen. Discrimination, dispassion, discipline and desire. What are the 2 things pointed out? First, Viveka Vairagya. That's why Agre. Agre means first you have to take care of your viveka, vairagya, bhavitavyam. Vivekam, vairagyam irukkanum. Then only mind will become shuddha manaha. A crazy mind is a rajasic mind. Therefore, tabhyam dridhabhyam, not ordinarily, dridhabhyam. You have to develop them strongly, not feeble viveka, feeble vairagyam. Unshakable. You cannot shake the viveka. People will talk, enna nee Vedanta class ku pore. Why are going to Vedanta class? Unnaka Vedanta ma varma. People will criticize you, people will disappoint you, people will look at you indifferently. When you are hold on to always telling about Swamini, Swamini, Swamini. Yeah? Why you are talking about always Swamini? Really, sometimes they were jealous of you. As though they are deprived of your affection and all. Happens. It's a possibility is there. So lot of obstacles comes to test your viveka. Are you really having viveka? Do you know why you are going to Vedanta Viveka Chodamani class? Are you clear in your mind? All will come in the mind. You have to be strong enough, steady enough. You can never be disturbed by anybody's behavior towards you. No one shake your destination. No one can change your goal. That is called real viveka. Born out of my own discrimination. Then that vairagya which comes, it is steady. That is why many people just come, they disappear. Why they come and disappear? Come and disappear, na study Shastra first, beginning la, then slowly they disappear from the class. Why you know? Viveka Vairagyam, there is no dhridatvam. They are not strong. They are not well trenched. They are only peripheral level. That's why Vedantic seeker always must be very careful, vigilant. My interest towards my goal should every minute, every second it has to strengthen. It has to be deep rooted. That is why Dridabhyam Agre Bhavitavyam. Why Lord Krishna says Manushyanam Sahasreshu? Many people are come under Madhyama Manda. A Uttama Adhikari alone is having that Dhrida Vairagyam, Dhrida Viveka. For that you have to face so many obstacles. You have to face. From the people, from your body, from your atmosphere, from your environment, from near and dear, you have to face so many things. Are you ready to face those thrashes from all people? Many people cannot withstand. Dhiraha only withstand. Intelligent people, courageous people, bold enough people, that minded people only withstand. That person only can attain Shuddhatvam asadhya. Then only you, such a mind is helpful for you. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we read the shloka number 176. Mano nama mahavyagraham Vishayaranya bhumishu Charantyatra nagachantu चरन्त्यत्र न गच्छन्तु साधवो ये मुमुक्षवः. Nice sloka. Shankaracharya giving a warning to the mind, warning to the people, seekers, to the mumukshus. Mano nama mahavyagraha. Mano nama. The mind is like a tiger, it is well known. Mano nama means well known, famous, popular for its nature. For its nature means just as the tiger moves in the forest. What tiger does? Have you seen the tiger when it is feeling hungry? How fast it moves, so restless. Similarly, your mind, tiger, also moves in the forest of objects. Vishayaranya bhumishu. For a tiger, aranyam is the bhumi, land for moving, place. For our mind, tiger, what is the place in it? The whole worldly objects are this forest. It is like a forest. If you go to Pandi Bazaar and Ranganath Street, you can see that. How people are so restless. And they bring one sanchi, pie to buy. That is the only they want to buy. But they buy new things. To keep the new things, they buy another sanchi. Bags. New bags to keep new things in. So, Vishayaha means so many objects in the world. It is like a forest. And you go on asking for this, so many things. So, Vishaya Aranya Bhumishu Manaha Mahavyagraha Charantri Atra. Charanti means moves, wanders. Just as the tiger moves in the forest, the mind moves in the Vishayas, object. Vishaya is that Vishinoti, Vishi, that Vishinoti, Badhnati iti Vishayaha. That which binds is called Vishaya. Actually, as a Ishvara Srushti, they are called Padarthaha. Shankaracharya beautifully writes in his Bhashyam, all objects are called Padarthaha. Porul. Padartham. நம்ம சாப்பாடு பதார்த்தம் கிடையாது, அந்த பதார்த்தம் வேறு. So they are all called padarthaha Ishvara Srishti. They become Vishayaha by Jiva Srishti. By my attachment, I make the padarthas as Vishayaha. Then only it can bind me. As a padartha, it will never bind. It is wonderful, beautiful. Bhagavan's creation. Because of my over-attachment, I make those padarthas into Vishayas. Vishayas means they bind me. Vishinoti badhnati iti Vishayaha. Charanti, this mind moves in all objects. How many objects we are buying? Imagine how many objects we require for this body. Think over, from morning to till night, how many objects we are using. Count panni parungo or vaati. How many objects we are using. My God, if you think na number list, hundreds la poinde irko. Oru naala, rendu naala, lifelong. I need them. I want them. My life is intertwined with them. So mind always moves there only. Tiger madri. Therefore, na gacchantu. Sadhavaha means noble people. Na gacchantu, should not go there. Na gacchantu. Who are those noble people? Ye mumukshavaha. Those who are desirers of moksha, be careful. Warning. Shankaracharya giving a warning. O desirers of moksha, you should not go into the forest of objects where the mind moves. Don't allow your mind to go behind the objects. Put check. Trespassers will be prosecuted. No permission, no admission without permission. All boards we have to keep. Therefore, be careful. You should not go there means what? Don't allow your sense organs to go here and there. And mind tells, hey, go there, buy, hear that. I want this, I want this. So mind tells. Therefore, in Upanishad, Kaschid dhiraha pratyagatmana maikshat avritta chakshur amrutatvam icchan. Amrutatvam icchan means the desire of moksha, amrutam, avritta chakshur means turn sense organs inwards. Turn sense organ inwards means what? Never become slave to the external objects. Kaschid dhiraha. Intelligent people, courageous people, brave people, refined minded people, they turn their sense organs inwards. Therefore, Shankaracharya says, Ye mumukshavaha sadhavaha ma charantu na gacchantu tatra. In the forest of objects. Next shloka. 177. Manah prasute vishayana sheshanam स्थूलात्मना सूक्ष्मतया च भोक्तुः शरीरवर्णाश्रमजातिभेदान् गुणक्रिया हेतुफलानि नित्यम् Now Shankaracharya continuing the same topic. Mind is responsible for this person to make as an experiencer, bhoktuhu. For experiencer, bhoktuhu, manaha eva vishayan aseshan vishayan prasute. Mind alone aseshan vishayan. Aseshan means limitless, innumerable, countless. Aseshan vishayan, objects, varieties of objects. Aseshan vishayan prasute, creates. Mind alone creates, utpadayati. Prasute means utpadayati, creates. how the mind creates sthulatmana sukshmataya. By sthulatma means sthula shariram, by at the gross level, and sukshmataya at the subtle level. Countless objects are delivered, prasutiyanna delivered, created by the mind alone, which are either gross objects or subtle objects, at the gross level or subtle level. What are those gross level and subtle level objects? Next 2 lines tells that. What are they? Sharira varna ashrama jati bhedan. This is corresponding to sthulatma. Sthulatma means sthula shariram. Sthula shariram, at the gross body level, what are all differences mind creates? Objects means don't think Pond's powder toothbrush only object. Manushya shariram, dog shariram, dog body, bird body, elephant body, all these are comes under objects. So these are all comes under Vishaya. This body, that body, that body, all these comes under Shariram. So what we are seeing every day? All bodies we are seeing. All bodies of all species. Who are creating? Mind. நம்ம வீட்டில் கிச்சனில் எறும்புலேருந்து கருப்பாம்பூச்சிலேருந்து who creates? Mind. Shariram, grass, we are able to see them, so therefore it is grass. Number 2, varna, brahmana varna, kshatriya varna, vaishya varna, caste. Who creates? Mind. Once the body comes, next varna comes. Ayyar or Ayyangar, or vadama tedama edenu solluva. Tanjavur Brahmin or Madurai Brahmin or Tiruchinappalli Brahmin. Idu Brahmin vere poduma ஏற்கனவே பிராமணன் சொல்றதே ஒன்று. அதில் நார்த் சைடு சவுத் சைடு எந்த பக்கம் அது கூட ஹூ கிரியேட்ஸ்? மைண்ட். So this Abhimana really very very strong. அவர் தஞ்சாவூர்காரன், இவர் மதுரைக்காரன். காரனே அது போட்டு they will create that much Abhimana on their place where they are born. Karaikudi, belongs to that. All this comes in Varna. Then Ashrama, Brahmachari, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, Sannyasi. Is a bachelor, single, or householder? Immediately doubt. If I see a person, is she married or not? Or is he married or not? Is he a bachelor, or a divorcee, or a widowed? All comes ashrama. Sannyasi lane enna madri sannyasi? What type of sannyasi? Ashrama. Who creates all this? Mind. இந்த வேலையெல்லாம் மைண்ட் பண்ற வேலை. Ashrama. Then jati. Jati means species. Manushya jati, Pakshi jati, Vriksha jati, Keetaka jati. Species which are belong to human beings. All species belong to the birds, trees. So illa jati. You see the Discovery Channel, you can see all jatis. Who create? Mind. Not only that, indilane Stri jati, Purusha jati, male and female, all created by the mind. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ jugglery of the mind, maya of the mind. We are very deeply entrenched by that, as though they are all real. அந்த அளவுக்கு நமக்கு ஊறி போயின்னு இருக்கு மனசுல. These are all sthula level. Sthulatmana manaha prasutena. Then sukshatmana, sukshmataya, subtle level. Guna, he is a bad person, he is a good person, he is very sober, very nice person. No, put it label. பாத்திரம் உடனே அப்படி ஸ்டிக்கர் போட வேண்டிய இந்த முகத்தில் அவர் அப்படிப்பட்டவன், இவர் இப்படிப்பட்டவன். இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் குட் பேட் எல்லாம் who creates? Mind. Really speaking, they are not really good or bad by themselves. How do you know? How do you know? My daughter-in-law is not good for me, but my daughter-in-law is good for her mother. Yes or no? Just example. I don't say that daughter-in-law is bad and cholala. Suppose any mother-in-law thinks she is not favorable to me, she is not good. Same daughter-in-law is good for her mother. Now tell me, this daughter-in-law is good or bad? If she is really bad, she must be bad to everyone. Why she is bad only to mother-in-law? So that means that bad, but that badness that is created by her mind, not by Ishvara. This is Jiva Srishti. It is Jiva Srishti, not Ishvara Srishti. Guna. Then Kriya. Varieties of activities. Mind projects. Good action, this is bad action. What Saddam did is bad action, but for Saddam it is a good action. For many people it is good action. So therefore it is very difficult. Mind only projects all these things, good or bad. These are all done by the mind. Not only that, sometimes you feel these actions are good. Same actions you feel after some time bad. You yourself. That means what? That action is good or bad? Tell me now. அப்போ மனசு அப்படி இருக்கு, இப்போ மனசு இப்படி இருக்கு. அது என்ன அர்த்தம்? இந்த மனசு வேலை தானே இது. So the mind problem. These are all mental problem. Problems at mind level is called mental problem. Don't think mental problem anna edo mental retarded people got problem anna. Whenever I say mental problem anna, you have to understand the problem created by the mind is called mental problem. Priyarda? So all our problems are because of what? Mind. You have done like this, you have done like this, you have done like this, you have done. For that person it is good, for you it is bad. Same action. Enna pandrathu? The whole world is like that. Very difficult. Then hetu phalani nityam. Hetu phalam. Hetu means cause and effect. This is the cause, this is the effect. Hetu means cause, phala means effect, the result of the action. So the karma, action is the cause, and that action reaps the result, effect. This action, this result, this action, this result. Who decides? Mind. All decided by the mind. So sthulatmana sukshmataya etat sarvam, for the sake of bhoktuhu, for this experiencer, who are doing? Mind. Manaha prasute. Mind alone. Aseshan vishayan prasute. Varna, ashrama, jati, kula. That is why in high Vedanta jati niti kula gotra duragam. In the Paramarthika standpoint, these are all not there at all from Atma Swarupam. Until that time you have to struggle. You have to put up with this. As long as I have ignorance, I give reality to the mind, and the mind, the objects it has created, if I give reality to them, I have to suffer. I have to undergo lot of mental trauma. Nobody is cause for my mental trauma. Nobody is cause for my own mental trauma or any worry or any sickness in the mind. Nobody is cause. My own ajnana, my own indiscrimination, lack of discrimination, my own attachment is the cause. Try to understand. If I know this is the fact, my mind alone is the cause, my real journey begins in the spiritual life. The day I recognize my mind alone is the cause, really I am saved. Saved means you are starting your journey, spiritual journey. Because accepting my own mind is the cause for my problem, it is very, very difficult. Very difficult. You require a tremendous maturity of the mind. Tremendous maturity. Expanded mind you require. Not narrow mind. Not a crooked mind. A mind which is able to accommodate, which is able to forgive, which is able to adjust, which is able to see its own nature. That's why Vedantam anna ellarku bayam. Puriyarda? Yenna Vedanta is that which questions the person's one's own mind. That's why people cannot appoint with themselves. If they appoint themselves, they have appointment with their own mind, very difficult. Appointment with everyone, not with my mind. அதுதான் தனியா கொஞ்ச நேரம் இருக்கிறது கூட பயப்படுவான். ஏன்னா தனியா இருந்தேன்னா I have to face my mind. That is called appointment with my mind. That's a தனித்திருன்னா ஆஹா வேண்டாம் சுவாமினி, என்னோட ரூம்ல யாராவது இன்னொருத்தர் போடுங்கன்னா. ரூம்ல தனித்தனியா இருக்கணும். கேம்புக்கு போனா தனித்தனியா இருக்கணும். இப்போ கேம்புக்கு போனா நாட் ஓன்லி பார்ட்னர், தட் பார்ட்னர் whom I like, so that I can talk. இப்போ another new partner என்ன நான் பேசவே முடியாது. என்னதான் பேச முடியும்? பழகிறதுக்குள்ள 3 நாள் ஆயிடும். அது 2 more days. அதனால ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் put rules and regulations to teach. சுவாமினி ப்ளீஸ் என்ன நான் ஏதோ பெரிய விஷயம் நினைச்சேன். எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் இதெல்லாம் சொல்ல வேண்டாம். I don't want to tell all those things. I don't want to disturb you. ஏன்னா that is why a Vedantin is one who faces himself. That's why alone to alone, all alone. Try to be alone sometime. Face your mind. பாப்பாம என்னதான் நடக்க போறதுன்னு. Let us see. It cannot escape. If I face the mind, it cannot escape. நான் என்ன பண்றேன்? அந்த மனசினை ஏதோ ஒரு பொருள் வச்சு பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பேன். Always I see the mind along with objects, along with other thoughts. I never see the mind as it is. I never tried to see. Either I see the mind along with my husband, along with my daughter, along with my house, along with my office, along with my body. I see such mind only. நிதித்தியாசனம் மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணதானே ஃபேஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. அதில் மெடிடேஷன் பயம். வேண்டாம் சுவாமி, தலைவலி வருது, மெடிடேஷன் பண்ண தலைவலி வருது. I will tell you such person is unfit for Vedanta. மனசுன்னது ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கணும். இந்த ஸ்ட்ராங் டானிக் என்னன்னா, இது விவேக சூடாமணி டானிக் தான் மனசுக்கு டானிக். இட் ஹேஸ் டு ஸ்ட்ரெங்தன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. So in the subtle form, in the gross form, everything, all objects are created by the mind alone. Shloka number 178. Asanga chidrupamamum vimohya dehendriya pranagunai nibadhya aham mameti bhramayत्यजस्रम् मनस्वकृत्येषु फलोपभुक्तिषु मनस्वकृत्येषु फलोपभुक्तिषु. Shankaracharya says all are created by the mind. What is the proof? அவர் பாட்டுக்கு அவர் சொல்லிண்டே போறாரு. என்ன ப்ரூஃப், பிரமாணம் என்ன? யுவர் ஓன் ஸ்லீப், இன் யுவர் டீப் ஸ்லீப், ஆல் தீஸ் சர்வான் விஷயான், ஆல் தீஸ் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். டெல் மீ, in your own deep sleep, nothing is there. No single object is available, included your body. You are talking about your big house, big family, your degrees, qualifications, all are there. Nothing. If they are there, really, these objects, if they are really there, they must be there in Sushupti also. In Sushupti, mind is dissolved. Because in Sushupti, mind is dissolved, therefore no object is available. My daughter, my son, my salary, I kept in inner locker, but I have forgotten totally. I have no idea. Kinchit na avedisham. I do not know anything. What the sleeper says after waking up, what do you say? Nalla thoongita. ஒன்றும் தெரியல, ஒன்றும் தெரியல. ஆமாம், ஒன்றும் தெரியல. எவ்வளோ அழகாக சொல்கிறான்னு பாரு. நைஸ்லி சேஸ், அகம் சுகம் அஸ்வாப்சம், ஐ ஸ்லெப்ட் வெல், ந கிஞ்சிதவேதிஷம், ஐ டு நாட் நோ எனிதிங். எனிதிங்? யுவர் நியரஸ்ட் டியரஸ்ட் வைஃப் ஆல்சோ, ஆர் யுவர் நியரஸ்ட் டியரஸ்ட் ஹஸ்பண்ட் ஆல்சோ? எஸ், ஐ டு நாட் நோ எனிதிங். போச்சு. அப்போ என்ன அர்த்தம்? எங்கெங்கே மனசு இருக்குமோ அங்கேதான் பொருள் இருக்கும். Because the mind is totally dissolved, gone into potential state, avyakta rupam. Once the mind is gone into deep sleep state, all objects are vanished. Once you wake up, mind tells, நான் இருக்கேன், நான் இருக்கேன். புரியுமா? போதுமா இந்த பிரமாணம்? So mind alone is the cause for all objects, including your body. Will you accept or not? அதர் பொருள் எல்லாம் விட்டுடுங்க, அது வேற, அப்புறம் பார்ப்போம். Your own body, do you remember your body? This much pampering we are doing, what in the deep sleep, what happened to your body? எங்க தூங்குறாமன்னு நமக்கே தெரியாது. That means your body idea, the thought also born out of my mind only. What a nice state, no? Deep sleep. அப்பா நிம்மதியாக இருக்க, தூங்கிட்டே இருக்கலாமோ அது தோணும். இருக்க முடியாது. பிராரப்தா will come and hip you. Hey, get up. Exhaust your prarabdha. Prarabdha, according to prarabdha only you get sleep. புரியுமா? தெரியுதா? Your sleep is proportionally equal to your prarabdha. Prarabdha decides how many hours you have to sleep. That's why some people even they don't get sleep. Even prarabdha is working. You have to exhaust. Up to 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock they won't get sleep. Even dream also. Throughout the night dreams only, Swamini. Even prarabdha. Exhausting through the dreams. Analyze that. How beautiful it is. Next, in this shloka, Shankaracharya says, what this mind does, asanga chidrupa mamum vimohya. This mind deludes, vimohya, having deluded this jivatma, having deluded this person, jivatma. The amum means this jivatmanai, in the jivatmanai. What type of jivatma? Asanga, which is not touched by anything. This atma, this jiva, atma is not touched, affected by anything. Asanga, no sanga at all. Appadipatta atma, chidrupam, a nature of consciousness. Its rupam, it is swarupam, its nature is chit. That consciousness, that Atma Swarupam is what? Chit Swarupam. Chit Swarupam, never affected by anything, untouched by anything. Such Jivatmanai Vimohya. In the mind, Pandravela, it dilutes the person, Jivatma, Vimohya. Not only that, Deha Indriya Prana Gunaihi Nibadhya. It ties the person. It ties the mind, that which creates all these objects. It ties the person with what? Deha, with this body. Indriya, with sense organs. Prana, with prana, vital energy. இந்த மூடு வச்சுட்டு முடி போட்டு மூடி போதுமா? கரெக்டாக மூடி ஒன்று தேகம், ஒன்று சென்ஸ் ஆர்கன், ஒன்று பிராணம். குணைஹி என்ன ரோப், அதுதான் பின்னல் போட்டால் மூடு கரெக்டாக இருக்கும். ஸோ அது மாதிரி இந்த ரோப் வச்சு, how they do rope, no? 3 knots, they put 3 layers, they will make that rope. Just as the rope binds the objects, external objects, this mind binds the nibadhya, means ties the person. Ties the person, கை கட்டிட்ட எப்படி ஆகும்? அங்கே இங்கே அசைய முடியாது. With what? With body, with prana. மூச்சை வாங்குறேன், உயிர் வாங்குறேன்னா டைடு. அதுதான் கல்யாணம் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அவ்வளோதான், என்னோட ஃப்ரீடமே போச்சுன்னா. எப்போ கல்யாணம் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் சொல்லி என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? Both are telling same way. Who said you will have freedom? You are giving your freedom, தானம் பண்ற, அவ்வளோதான். கல்யாணம் என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஃப்ரீடம் போச்சு என்ன அர்த்தம்? சும்மா சொன்னேன், அப்படி ஒன்றும் இல்லை. ஜெனரலி பீப்புள் திங்க் தட் இஸ் ராங் திங்கிங். ஃப்ரீடம் எங்கே போச்சு? வேர் இட் ஹேஸ் கான்? திஸ் இஸ் ராங் நோஷன். I lost my freedom after marriage. So you don't have freedom in the beginning also, because you are ajnani. Where is the freedom? So just people talk like that. Deha indriya prana gunaihi, with that rope. Deha rope, prana rope, and indriya rope. It ties the person, sense organ. That's why person is slave to the tongue, slave to the forms and colors. I love this color, I love this color, I love this color. Sounds, People are running here and there. Morning ko kacheri, madhyanam oru kacheri, sayankalam oru kacheri. எந்த கச்சேரிக்கு போகணும்னே தெரியல. எல்லா ப்ரோக்ராம் நல்லா இருக்கு. டிவியில் பார்க்குறோமா? டிவியில் இல்லை சுவாமி, நீ டைரெக்டாக பார்த்தா தான் அந்த இது என்ன பாருங்க. ஸ்ரோத்ரேந்திரியம் அப்படியே பைண்ட்ஸ் டைஸ் த பர்சன். ஓகே, தென் அகம் மம இதி பிரமயதி அஜஸ்ரம். It makes the person to move. Brahmayati means it's the causal. Mind is the cause for the person's movement. Brahmayati, it makes the person to wander up and down, here and there, hither and thither. Brahmayati ajasram, constantly, all the time. With what? Aham mama iti. I am, I have. I am, I have. This is the words what we use. Aham means ahankara. I have means mamakara. So I am, I have. These two. So I am intelligent is called ahankara. I have intelligent is called mamakara. I am intelligent. I am சொல்லி எது சொன்னாலும் அகங்காரா. I have சொல்லி எது சொன்னாலும் மமக்காரா. நீங்கள் எல்லாம் பார்த்துக்கோங்க அந்த லிஸ்ட்டு. நான் சொல்லிண்டே இருக்க முடியாது. ஸோ ஹேவ் அன்னது மமக்காரா ஷோஸ் த சம்பந்தா. இந்த ஆத்மாக்கு என்ன சம்பந்தம் இருக்கா? அசங்கமான ஆத்மா வச்சுட்டு இந்த மாதிரி ஃபெவிகால் மாதிரி ஒட்டிட்டோமே அப்படியே சம்பந்தம். ஷஷ்டி விபக்தி, சம்பந்தே ஷஷ்டி என்ன. ஷஷ்டி விபக்தி, இட் நெவர் கம்ஸ் அண்டர் காரகா, இட் கம்ஸ் அண்டர் செப்பரேட் ரிலேஷன். மம கார, மம கார. ஸோ ஐ ஹாவ் என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஐ ஆம் ரிலேட்டட் டு மை இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ். ஐ ஆம் ரிலேட்டட் டு மை டாட்டர். I am related to my wife. I am related to my brother, sister, father, mother. Mamakara. So aham mama iti brahmayati. Up and down, this makes the mind, makes the person swakrutyeshu. Swakrutyeshu in many laukika, vaidika activities. All mundane activities and all rituals, worship, all religious activities. In all these things, mind makes the person to go here and there to do all those things. Phalopa bhuktishu. Phalopa bhuktishu means it makes the person to experience all the results of actions. Phala upabhuktishu. Enjoy pleasure or pain, both you have to enjoy. Enjoy or suffering, both pleasure and enjoy, pain and suffering. Suffer, suffer. Padu maname padu. More details in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri